Animal abuse is a significant moral issue in the Philippines, just as it is globally. The moral problem stems from the belief that animals, like humans, have the capacity to experience pain, suffering, and fear. Here's how animal abuse becomes a moral issue in the context of the Philippines. First, we got cultural and ethical values. Filipino culture, which often emphasizes compassion, respect for life, and strong family bonds, creates a moral contradiction when it comes to animal welfare. While many Filipinos may deeply care for their pets, there is disconnect in how non-domestic or working animals like those used in farming or transportation are treated. For example, the abuse of carabaos used in farming or the mistreatment of stray animals is often overlooked, despite the fact that these animals are capable of suffering. Second, we got religious and philosophical views. The Philippines is dominantly Catholic, and while Catholicism teaches the stewardship of God's creation, many people may not extend this compassion to animals in a way that acknowledge their rights or welfare. This philosophical gap can make animal abuse a moral blind spot for some, particularly in rural areas where the values of animals may be seen primarily in terms of their economic utility rather than their intrinsic worth as a living being. As the country urbanizes, there is growing awareness and concerns about animal rights, especially with the rise of animal welfare organization and social media activism. This shift represents a moral evolution in how the society views animals, moving from seeing them as commodities to recognize their well-being as important. However, not everyone in the Philippines has access to education or awareness on these issues, which can perpetuate harmful practices.